Hey you guys, it's Kitty, and I decided to do a get ready with me because it's my birthday. It's my birthday. So let's do my makeup. I have to go into work today, even though I was scheduled to be off. There goes my boss. Yep. So I'm gonna do my makeup today. My skin looks better. I had an allergic reaction to some food. So I gotta get ready. I'm just putting witch hazel on my face. Clean my face up. I washed my face last night because I was supposed to do it in the morning too, but last night was like at 1 in the morning, 1 or 2 or something. Since I'm going to work and abandoning all my plans, I ain't about to go full face. Cause I ain't got no time for that. Alrighty, let's see. A lotion. Okay, I went back to my videos and I did have it already. Okay, because your girl thought, I don't know, I couldn't practice. I don't know. I don't remember ever having it. I don't know. You know what? I'm tired. I have to go to work today. It's not, no, today's supposed to rest. It's about me. It's supposed to be about me. But now I gotta go to work. So now it's about work. And I gotta be there at 4. And it's 1. Look. Your girl is ready. I'm killing it. Look at me. Ah, just beautiful. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Which way? Which way? Which way? That way. It's my birthday. That way. Okay, let me stop. Fabulize. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Okay, so I gotta get ready for work. I only wanted to do this because it's my birthday and I had to slay. I'm gonna go to work slaying like this. Not wearing this, but slaying this, okay? I'm loving this. Look at my hair. It's on point too. Oh my gosh. Sorry, it's right here. But this is perfect lighting. Okay. Ooh. I look good. Okay, let me stop. Let me stop.